far from the red. He's on the right side.
Making it happen with his feet, number 9, Agnew.
Kicks away.
And there's 30 couple of days. That pass is intercepted for the second time today. That's number 27, Kyrie Woods. Let's get it quickly down the left sideline. Come back. He can't go on the line. Touchdown to defense. A product of our
Well, I thought the defense obviously dominated the scrimmage, but the offense didn't play a lot of our playmakers. I mean, obviously our starting quarterback wasn't out there, our starting tailback wasn't out there, our starting tight end did not play, and 2 of our wide receivers that are probably our starting wide receivers didn't play. So the offense was going without a lot of their playmakers, but as you saw it, our quarterbacks that did play threw way too many interceptions and put the ball in jeopardy way too many times, and our offensive line didn't play very well.
Oh man, it's just me making my assignment, and I just read the quarterback and drove on the play, and the ball happened to be there, and then just let it all go from there.
Oh yeah, it was just fun to get back out here with the team, you know. Back with the team, we all made some plays. Young guys got a lot of reps. You know, the older guys sitting around, but besides that, it was a good day. We was out there productive. We had a good day.
For one, this is my senior year, so it's my last, final spring game. So it's exciting to come out here with the guys and compete, and just to get the feeling for hitting, and everybody having fun to flying around to the ball. So that's really what it's all about.